What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you. Just wanted to get you guys up to speed on my next project build. So this will be build part 1 of the 1958 Ford Thunderbird, Elvira's Macabre Mobile. So go ahead and getting kind of started here. Again, if you want to see kind of the overview of all the added detail parts that I have and stuff like that for this kit, I will link uh, the review of this kit. Just to make sure though that I did mention it, I do have a figure that was created by Iceman Collections of Elvira, which I believe I did a review of that in there. And then I have the MBM-Munich 1958, if I can pick up the super baggy, Ford Thunderbird detail set for it. So looking very much forward to this build. So yeah, so far the most of the work tonight has been done on this. I still have a little bit of panel line scribing to do on this, just around this wheel well here. Then just kind of sand that back just a little bit. Gave the body pretty much an entire sanding using where'd it go? The Flurry Models sponge. I really like the sponge side of this. I do also like another getting harder. I think they were looking to stop producing them, but the actual 220s on both sides. I absolutely love those things. So really scuffs up the body really nicely. You might notice the tape line right through here. So as a part of the detail set, it does come with the photo etch window wipers. So I went ahead and sanded down the molded in ones, and that obviously left a really nasty look to the air vents here where they'd come in, because again, just the molding covered that up. So utilizing my display yeah, scriber there we go, to scribe those out with a 4mm piece. So done 4 of them here, a few of them here. Went ahead and just kind of went ahead and threw in just a little bit of extra thin to try to get those lined up and stuff like that, or cleaned up I should say. Not sure if I really liked doing that. I might just wait until I'm done and then try it again. But yeah, got this thing pretty much sanded down. It's ready to go. Because I do have the photo etch trim that will come in here on for the Thunderbird, for the front logo as well as the tail. Got that all sanded off. So next bit of work that I'm going to be doing is around getting rid of ejector pins. So as you can see here, got one gone. I still have, actually I should say 2 gone. Had one there in the center and then this one up here. I have about 3 more up here on the front and 1 more here on the back. Again, she drove it as the convertible, so I'm not going to be messing with the hardtop. I got the first wheel done, which if you've seen my reveal video for the Verlinden Productions Waste Gunner Down build, you'll have seen this. Went ahead and how I did the detail painting was I used Posca pen just to fill in the wheel gap or the wheel holes there, and then because there is actually a skull detail, try to get it to focus on it, inside of the hub that I wanted to keep and just kind of backfill it like the original was. Utilized Tamiya's Panaline black Panaline wash that they make, or detail wash, and then basically flooded it. Came in with a cotton bud and just carefully rolled it into the side just to suck up just enough of the Panaline wash to where it uncovered the skeleton, but did not uncover the rest of it. So just a little tip there for you. Outside of that, not a whole lot else going on with the build yet. Just again, part 1, getting started into it and stuff like that. Again, the month of October here being Halloween. Do remember growing up, and I think we were watching like the Oak Ridge Boys or something like that, or I can't remember what movie it was or series it was, but I think it was like a Halloween special. And I do remember seeing Elvira for the first time, and it was just like, okay, cool. Never really understood the history of her until last few years and stuff like that with um, the series that she did. But cool thing is, here on the YouTubes, they do have most of the old videos of her and things like that. So yeah, looking forward to maybe catching up a few of the pictures that she casted or starred in, just kind of doing the intro and outros to the horror series. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this one. I'm hoping to have it done by Halloween, uh, obviously for that. So yeah. In either case, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post it down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.